Hi there, Tapas Fleming here, tatlife.com. People wonder, when I'm going through TAT, am I going to have to experience that again? Because that's how a lot of techniques are. You're supposed to re-experience it. It's really different with TAT, and I want to explain how that is. What's happening with the TAT process is that you are becoming de-identified with whatever it was that happened to you. As the process goes on, you just keep experiencing more and more that, oh, I'm not there anymore. It isn't then. I'm actually in the here and now. Ah, this feels good. I can be here and now. So when you start off and you've got this awful experience, no matter how bad, it's feeling very real. The emotions you're having, the people, the furniture, the sights, the sounds, the smells, everything feels very immediate. And what happens as you're doing the TAT process is there just becomes this natural distance from whatever that was, so that you don't have to re-experience it. And also, when you are identified, when you start and you are identified, then all of the emotions that are connected with that moment or moments, that perspective, that point of view are just there forever until you're not identified with it anymore. You don't feel connected with it anymore. That naturally happens as you do the TAT process. And if something was really awful and you don't even want to look at it, you can take whatever that experience was and put it in a box or a chest with straps. You can put chains around it, lock it up, whatever. You can put the experience far away from you in your mind, however you want, and still do the process, and that, whatever that was, will heal. I had one client who had someone in her life that was so evil. She said that when that person died, people came to the funeral just to make sure she was really dead. Anyway, the things that happened to her personally were so bad that she didn't want to look at it. So she put it in a container, locked it up. We did TAT, and what was inside that locked container got healed. So there you go. I hope this helps you feel brave, like whatever it is that you've experienced, it can be healed without you being in direct contact with it one little bit. Thanks for listening, and see you next time.